Good morning, people. It is Friday morning, about 9:30. Welcome back to the channel. I have something here in my hand. It's called a revision. There you go. Now this bottle looks exactly like what you're going to see on the advertising. Let me grab my phone, pull up the advertising. Should have been ready, but I wasn't. Anyway, the reason I'm showing that's my fourth bottle of revision. And they state that those pills will actually revitalize your sight, get rid of cataracts and all of that. Let me pull this up here. Oops. Might help if I spell things right. There we go. And see if we can get this to come up. There we go. Of course, as you can see, the bottle basically is the same as what I just showed you in my hand. It's virtually the same thing. And what they say here, Revision Eye Supplement Pills Advanced Vision 2.0 Eye Care Complex Vitamin Capsules Pro, $37. Supplement Pills Advanced Vision 2.0 Eye Care Complex Vitamins Capsules Pro, individual results from taking supplements and or other products mentioned on this site may vary before starting the diet. Okay, but they make all kinds of claims like it'll get rid of cataracts, it'll take you back to 20/20 vision, even if you've had eye surgery or LASIK. That's part of their marketing ploy. And like I said, this is my fourth bottle. And as you can see, I'm wearing glasses.
I feel like they look great, but they're not doing much.
Why do I wear glasses? Well, they're only reading glasses. I do have prescription glasses. But, excuse me, they don't work as good as the readers. Are you surprised? Not really. Now, I paid for those glasses, which are actually bifocals. My first pair of glasses were bifocals. And I can honestly say, with all due, they weren't worth the money I paid. And I paid about $485 for the lenses and the frames. But this stuff, Revision, okay, this stuff right here, in my opinion, is a joke. Why do I still have it? I don't know. I do not know. Anyway, this is basically a customer service announcement. It's for educational purposes and entertainment purposes only. So we'll go from there. God bless to y'all.